All right, number one, the polyrhythms and polymeter. Polyrhythm because we got every chord evenly spaced here. Basically, two chords evenly spaced across 1, 2, 3 beats, and that happens over and over again. So that's the first time, second time, third time, fourth time, and then there's the fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth. So, strumming this, we're going to keep these ghost strums going. So you hit it, miss it twice, hit it, miss it twice. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's the strum pattern. Now counting this, even though it's in a 4/4 time signature, we're going to count it like it's in 3/4 because it makes it way easier. So basically count it like 1, 2, and 3, 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 done. And here we go. 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 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 done. 120, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 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 done. 180, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. At that point, I'm really just counting how many times I've hit the chord because I'm locked into the strumming pattern. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And the magic number, 240. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeats. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Just twice through. Just twice through on this one. Alright, number 2. So, I made a mistake here. This needs to be 4 times at the end, not 2, but 4. So when you do repeats, make sure this one is done the 4 times through, okay? The last one, basically playing the same rhythm twice through anyway when you're working it up. So I felt for number 1, just twice, or just adding 1 repetition at the end is good. For this one, 4 times through, since it's just 4 bars. Alright, so yeah, I've got to be careful about where those upstrokes are happening. Here we go, 60 beats per minute. So you'll see me tapping the body of the guitar. I like to do that at the slower speeds. Find it very helpful. Faster speeds, I can't do it, but slower speeds I will. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. 160. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 200. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So at any time you doubt if it's correct or not, just assume it's not correct and try again. So if you get to 200 on this, I call that a win. I'll try and go a little bit faster here. It's very, very difficult. If you don't get to 200, that's fine. That's just like, you know, you can send in early video if that happens. But anyway, here we go. 200, 21, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 240. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I do find it helpful when you start to drift into the oncoming downbeat. Start doing the up strums earlier than you think you should. A lot of times that can help fix the problem. All right, let's go back to 180 for the repeats. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so regarding the scales, what I want you to do is stop doing metronome stuff with it to go faster. Our goal with those right now is just get it memorized. Building speed with it comes later. So right now, I want you to think of it like this. If you're going to metronome each scale, you're wasting time memorizing it. So no more metronoming those things. Like, I put that little backing track thing together there just to help make it more fun and interesting to practice the thing. But if it ends up being distracting, well, then we don't want to do that. So keep adding shapes. So last night you demonstrated you could do those first 3. So now you need to start working on adding in that guy. When you can do all those 4, then start working on adding into F Lydian and so on. So no more metronome with that stuff. Get it memorized. Get it memorized. Get it memorized. That's the plan. That's been the plan. That is the goal. Get the scales memorized. Okay? All right. Any questions, let me know. I'll see you again next week.